What's up, everybody? Mr. Bear here. I want to show you guys how to do today's warm up. So, the last question on today's warm up, I gave you guys this shape. It's called a rectangular prism. It just means it's a cube, but one of the sides is a rectangle, not a square. So, that's what makes it a rectangular prism, not a cube. Anyway, so the formula to find the volume of this is exactly the same as it would be if it was a cube. We have the three numbers here. We have the length, the width, and the height, or I guess you might call that one the height. You have the three numbers anyway, the three dimensions, 3D shape, three dimensions. And what you have to do is just multiply those three numbers together. So we just are going to have 4 times 3 times 10. All right. And in my head, I can do 4 times 3. 4 times 3, I know that one is 12. And in my head, I can also do 12 times 10 because anything times 10 means you just add an arrow you just add a 0 to the end of the number. So 12 times 10, it'd just be 12 with a 0. So it'd be 120. Now, my answer is not 120 inches. It's not 120 nothings. It's 120 cubic inches. That's an important part of this. So you have to remember when you're working with volume, you've got three numbers here. So your answer should be IN with a 3. IN with a 3 at the end. So that would indicate cubic inches. So it'd be IN 3. And then most of the time you're going to put that 3 kind of like up, like a little tiny 3 up above. But, if you're just typing it out or whatever, IN3 is fine. Or you could say cubic inches and type out the words. Okay, but just IN or having nothing at all, technically that's not correct.